Hey there friends, this is probably totally silly, but I want to battle the Queen's Fodder again. And today I want to make my own custom vehicle, see if I can make something even smarter for taking them out. So I'm going to start with a block and a block. And I'm going to do a single block on the way back. Actually, I'm going to delete that, and I want it to be one of these wooden blocks. So what I'm thinking is with this double stack, I can do a double steering hinge so that my vehicle is stronger on that front axle that I've got out in front of the vehicle. So I'm going to just put a steering hinge here and here. Now I'm going to attach, so I'll do a single block, and now I'm going to do a double block out, and a double block out, and then I'm going to go back here and do a single block, and then the doubles. So I've got a nice width for my vehicle. Now I'm going to firm it up with some triangular braces. So I'm going to go out to here. I'm going to go out to here. I'm going to attach all the way across the bottom, all the way across the bottom. I'm going to attach from this corner to this corner, from this corner to this corner. Oops, I missed on that. Let's try again. And then I think I'm going to do a vertical one as well. And I think that feels like it's going to be pretty strong. And it'll be able to turn because of the front wheel steering. For locomotion, I'm going to use the large wheels. Pop, 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 pop. On top, I'm going to use a crossbow for a weapon. I like that it has 30 fires. I'm going to put them down here as well, so I've got lots of crossbows. I am going to do on the back some blades, and on the front I'm going to do the spikes just because it's a little different. I'm also going to put one. No, I can't put it there. Nope, it doesn't work to have it. Bummer. I'm going to put circular saws on the wheels because, oh my gosh, they just rolled. And then I'm going to map my keys so that these all fire with different ones. So that one's going to fire with 1. This one's going to fire with 2. And then the top one is going to fire with 3. I think I need something in the middle here. I'm going to see if I can, let's see what happens if I add one block and then put the drill out in front. So I'm going to go back to my blocks because I'd really like to have that drill. Yes. And then I'm going to add some strength up here, and I'm going to add it underneath by putting braces in a triangular fashion from here to here and from here to here. Let's press spacebar and set it down. Looks drivable. Let's go take some people out. So far the vehicle steers quite well. Seems quite stable. Does have trouble driving over people when they get stuck inside. Go figure. I lost my top bow, so number 3 will not fire. But I think it's time to... Ooh, that was close. I almost hit the mine, and I just lost 2 wheels. Bummer. But we're also kind of used to this. That's kind of how things have went every time. Oh, there comes the dreaded explosion. Let's press spacebar and let's try again. This time I'm going to drive into them, and I'm going to just keep going. A little bit different strategy. Then just drive straight back over them. Get to the corner so I can activate these gentlemen. Need to get this corner involved. And there they are. This one looks like it's going to be a success. Not the tightest turning radius, but still effective. There, I have taken them out. This time I do have all of my crossbows still intact. Let's see if I can take out a mine with my crossbow skills. Let's see, it looks like number 1 is on target. Ooh, it's on target, but I hit it too hard. They took off my wheel. Boom! Nailed that one. Not the best angle to show off my shooting skills. Who's that little dude that's causing me grief? I need to go take him. Oh, not gonna take him out without wheels. See if I can turn enough to get a shot on. There's a 1 and a 2. I can still fire with 3. Can I come all the way around? Nope. But it was quite effective. I'm going to try one more time just because that was so effective. Let's see if I can use that same technique again. I'm going to put a couple arrows out there, see if I can maybe take out that mine in the back. Get rid of that dude under my feet. Take care of the main objectives, I guess. Oh, lost a wheel. Let's see if I can still succeed with 3 wheels. Maybe that's my next project, is try and build a 3-wheel vehicle. Oh! Ran myself into a mine. And the only good news is that might light a couple guys on fire, and I may still come out of this with a win. Any luck? Alright, I'm gonna give up. One more try. I gotta admit, this might be my favorite one so far. Not sure what tripped off that mine, but I always love seeing those go off. I like it when I can shoot them, but I didn't even try, so I can't take credit. Oops, lost a wheel. That might be another project, is to create one that man, that was a massive fail. I like that they keep running into the parts, but it was a massive fail. I think we have confirmed that I have got to drive straight through them. Maximum speed. Does anybody else see Mad Max when they watch this? There's my lost wheel. That might have been the turn that got me in the right place. I'll launch some arrows, and there we go. I've actually conquered it again. So I'm like batting 20%. I conquered it 2 out of the 10 times we tried. Stay tuned, friends. I'm going to try a 3-wheel version in a bit. I ran him into the air wheel by shooting the arrows. Blew up the back of my vehicle. But, hey, once again, Besieged. What an awesome way to play. Thanks for watching, friends. Please like, comment, and subscribe.